Oh, look at, oh wow, look at that. Oh, that's fun. Hello. Hello, everyone. Oh, there, look at Lily. Oh, look at, look who it is. Look who it is. Look who it is. It's Tyler. What is going on, Tyler? Good to see you.
Yeah,
it's good to see you. Look at all that. Oh, man, this is fun. It's fun. Look at us. I'm being surrounded. I'm being surrounded by the people. It's being surrounded by the people. Tyler, I got the coffee too. Look, oh, look, Tyler, yeah. Let's do a commercial real quick.
Yeah.
Say, I'm Tyler.
I'm Tyler.
There we go. All right, now you do the rest.
And I support Sock Coffee.
Yeah.
Yeah, I bet it's really good.
Yeah. How does it smell? Give it a whiff.
It smells really good.
Does it smell good?
I've been smelling it for a long time, so I'm carrying it around, and it's great.
I regret giving it to you so early in the day. I didn't know you was going to be around and have to drag it around. I could have held on to it for you,
yeah,
so I apologize about that.
And the Sock shirt.
I apologize. Oh, look at that. Oh, man.
This is a classic.
That is some fine menswear right there.
Yeah.
You got there.
I think I'm going to probably resell it and make a profit.
Yeah, you can do it. I'll sign it for you. I'll smooch it. Smooch is for the shirt. There it is. It's smooched. It's smooched now. And then Lenny Jacobson, what is going on? Where did you get that hat? Did Dale Earnhardt Jr. give you that hat?
Mountain Dew hat, officer.
Oh, it's a Mountain Dew hat?
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't see what the problem is. I like NASCAR. Is that a big deal?
No, it's not a big deal. Not a big deal. You can enjoy the NASCARs. I like the NASCARs. I don't mind if they go fast.
You ever get a ticket to a NASCAR
track? No, I haven't had the pleasure.
That would be amazing.
That would be a lot of fun. I'd be like, hey, Jeff Gordon, who do you think you are? Jeff Gordon?
Dale Earnhardt Jr. just pulled me over, man. I'm just driving my regular car.
Yeah. Okay, all right.
Officer, what did I do wrong? Wait, how would Jeff Gordon talk? Like this?
Jeff Gordon, yeah.
Excuse me, officer, what did I do wrong?
Well, I got to tell you this, Jeff Gordon. You was driving a little bit fast back there.
Yeah, but exactly. My name is Jeff Gordon. I get to drive fast everywhere I go.
Well, you may be Jeff Gordon. This may be a fact. You haven't handed me your license yet, but you're on my streets. You're not on your NASCAR track. You're gonna have to be doing. You're gonna have to slow it down, Jeff Gordon.
This is some goddamn bull poopy.
Yeah, it is. Hey, Jeff Gordon.
PG scope, right?
Yeah, appreciate that.
This is some hot tootie pooty.
That's right, Jeff Gordon. You call it.
Jeff Gordon is fired up.
That's
right
the law.
now.
That's the law, Jeff Gordon.
I speed up and down my driveway. You can't give me a ticket.
No, you can speed up and down your driveway. That's okay. That's private property.
I'm sorry. Are you even in your jurisdiction?
But no, don't ask that question. That's not a good question to ask.
What is your jurisdiction?
It's worldwide. It's
Sesame Street.
Anywhere. Look at that. Oh, man.
Don't make me turn my hat back.
Somebody bring in my mic. Somebody bring my mic so we can drop it.
Police brutality.
What? Oh,
police brutality.
Brutality against the police.
Are you hitting me?
Look at that.
Are you hitting me? You just knocked my arm?
Oh, look at that. I'm on this Williams. I'm on the Williams right there. You all saw it. You all saw it. He came after me. He came after you. You all saw it.
I watched Making a Murder. You're going down.
No. I don't have Netflix. I'm at a disadvantage.
This is I'm a poor Southern race car driver. I mean, you up my business.
Oh man. You're driving to. Here's your ticket.
All right, well, let's just
I have a ticket, but I don't have enough hands to give it to you.
You got hands and stuff.
Yeah, there's too many.
All right, you know what? I'm going to apologize. I'm going to call it down. I'm just going to go my own separate way.
All right. Well, you have your good day, Jeff.
It's a pleasure meeting you.
Have your good day. All right. Parkour! Parkour is off Lenny Jacobson. There we go. We got the leader. We got the first face. Oh, holy cow, it's Shelly Green.
I've got
Shelly Green. You got something for me?
I got something for you.
What do you have for me, Shelly Green? That's fantastic. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Are you kidding me right now? Are these official Shelly Green glasses? Oh, my goodness.
Official.
Put them on my face.
Yeah.
I don't know if they'll stay. They're not going to stay. There we go.
Yes.
Oh, look at me. Look how fancy I am. Look at that. Now I'm Shelly Green.
Oh, no.
Oh, dear.
Oh, there we go.
We'll get some. I got a hot glue gun. We'll take care of that. Whammo, not a problem. Not a problem. We can handle that. Look at that.
I've had these for 3 days and I've been wanting to give them to you. I'm so glad I finally get them to you.
Oh, I'm so glad too. I'm so glad. Now I have to talk very carefully. Otherwise, they were going to fall off. This is the best thing that's ever happened to me. This is great. I'm loving it. How does it look? They're not official police issues, but we're having a good time.
No, they look really good on you.
Yours are, mine look a lot darker than yours. Why is that?
I know. I popped my lenses out.
Popped the lenses out?
Yeah.
All right then.
But I left yours in because you like sunglasses.
Yeah, I do like the sunglasses.
Yeah.
Now I can't see anything. I got 2 pairs of sunglasses on. I'm blind as a bat. I'm blind as a bat in the
How are you
door
going
right
to
now.
catch the speedos?
I don't know. I don't know right now.
Cattywampus.
Glasses on
Cattywampus.
Would you fix the glasses?
Yeah.
There we go. Throwing it back old school.
You almost went full Picasso.
Okay. Well, I'm going to leave these with you.
Okay, thank you so much.
I'm going to give them to your assistant.
Yeah, he's going to lose them and break them, but that's okay. He's totally useless.
Bye.
Shelly
Can I
Green.
give you a kiss?
Yes, you can. Mwah, smooches for you, Shelly Green. Oh, one more thing. Parkour!
Oh,
There we go. Walk on.
Give a shout out to the Frameable Faces people.
Yes, indeed. Hey, Frameable Faces people, how's it going? This is your buddy Sock Cop. Just hanging out, confusing people at the Periscope thingy. Having a good time, having a good time. We got some people watching around. We got Alina's people over there doing things, enjoying the stuff. What's going on? Hey, what's going on? Is that Chris Chicana? Chris Chicana, what's going on? How's it going? Good to see you. It's good to see you. What you doing?
You got a slick mustache there.
Oh, I appreciate that.
You get some of that. I need
Yeah,
some
yeah,
wax.
yeah. You can add some of that.
You look like you've been lifting weights.
Yeah, I've been doing some working out.
Yeah,
I've been doing some working
hitting
out.
that PT.
Yeah.
Getting that PT.
Yeah, getting the PT.
Yeah.
Doing the sit-ups like this. I just go like this. 1, 2, 3.
You're locked.
400.
You're locked
400
and loaded.
sit-ups.
Locked and loaded.
Yeah, locked and loaded. You do the 400 sit-ups, you are good to go. You're good to go.
There you go.
Let's see, that's good. Have you talked already?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow you're talking. Oh, that's going to be fun. What you talking about?
We're talking about health,
Health.
healing,
Oh, I like that.
support.
I'm for all of those things.
I know you are.
I'm for all of those
I know
things.
you are.
Health is good.
We're searching for purpose and truth. Okay? Pride and justice.
Pride and justice. Oh, I like that.
Yeah, there
I
you
like
go.
that. I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying it very much.
And put it there.
Police brutality. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, this is a good thing.
Evie says-
we're going to take a selfie.
Evie
We're gonna
says
take
you need a purple wig.
Evie says what?
Like you need a purple wig.
Yeah, either way. Either way you want to do it. I'm fine. I'm fine with it. There we go. Let's do it. There we go. We're taking selfies now. We're taking selfies. Gotta have those selfies. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Oh, look at that.
And you're gonna get me to sign this.
Oh, that's fantastic. I want to sign it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. Wait for a second. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right, let's see what we got. All right. S O C K C O P.
Thank you very
There we
much.
go. There we go. Now it says Sock Up. I did graffiti, but it's totally cool. It's totally cool. He said I could. He said that I could. Oh, let's take a picture. There we go. Hey, we're taking a picture. Gotta be smiling. Thank you. Hey, thank you so much. I love writing my name. Boom. There we go. There we go. I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying it. What else do we got? Oh, hello. Hello. It's DeLoy, everybody. It's DeLoy. Just doing the things. Just doing the things. Where are you going? Scope and Inception. I'm enjoying it. Oh, yo. Oh, is that one of those fancy light up things? Oh, make it come on. Look at this. Look at this, you guys. Holy cow. Wow.
Hey, what do you think? Should I hypnotize Saka?
Yeah, do it. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it.
All right, I'm going to hypnotize Saka.
Let's
Ready for this?
hypnotize. Let's do some
All right,
hypnotizing.
so what do you need help with?
What do you mean?
What's wrong in your life? What do you want to fix?
I need to catch more speeders.
You need to catch more speed.
Yeah, I need to get better at my job and catch more speeders.
All right, let's help you do that. Let's help you protect yourself, all right?
Okay.
Ready? Breathe. You're going deeper and deeper. 2.
So awesome, man. All right, I'm gonna shut it down. I'm gonna try and see if I can get a picture with Sock Cop. All right. See